What's up guys, MT Tech Reviews here, and in today's video we are taking a look at the MotoSpeed CK104 keyboard. On my channel I like to review budget friendly products so everybody can afford them, and if you watch my previous videos you can see that they are all about budget. So in this video guys I have for you an extremely budget friendly mechanical keyboard with RGB backlighting for only $43. In this review I'll talk about the switches, going about the features, and do a sound test for you guys. First, let's unbox the keyboard. It comes in a very simple box. In the box you find a user manual and a warranty card and a keycap puller, and then the keyboard, and that's it for the unboxing. The keyboard weighs 850 grams or 1.8 pounds and it's made from thin plastic and aluminum. The plastic has a slight texture to it but is smooth so fingerprints don't show up, and the key base, it's made from brushed aluminum and it's also smooth. The aluminum plate gives the keyboard a premium look. The keyboard does feel sturdy and well made. This keyboard comes in 3 colors: silver, red and rose gold. On the right top you have the lock indicator and the MotoSpeed logo. The layout is a full-size keyboard with 104 keys layout. This keyboard is a bit shorter than a regular keyboard, so as you can see is a bit shorter on the top. There are not many mechanical keyboards with full-size layout in this price range, so this is actually nice to have if you are looking for a mechanical keyboard and you have a budget. The keycaps are made from ABS plastic and they reflect the light well through. This is a mechanical keyboard, as I said before, and it uses Ultimo blue switches. These are extremely common Chinese clones of the German-made Cherry MX key switches. They sound a bit louder and a bit heavier than Cherry MX switches, but if you are a first-time user you won't notice a difference. And since they are clones, yes, you can change the keycaps to whatever aftermarket keycaps you want. Blue switches are my favorite switches because they have that satisfying sound when you're typing, and it just feels good guys. Here's a sound test. And now to the lighting. This is an RGB keyboard, as I mentioned before, which is a nice feature to have in this price range. There is no software to program the lighting, but instead you have to use the function and the insert button or the delete button for changing the colors. And if you press the function and the home button, you can custom the color layout you want by pressing on the button until you find the color you want, like so. You can also turn the light off if you want by pressing the function and the screenshot button. Here's a short demonstration about the lighting modes. keyboard comes with a non-detachable cable, but for me this isn't a deal breaker. Flipping the keyboard over, you have 4 rubber pads, so it doesn't scratch your desk or moving while you're typing or gaming. So this keyboard is made obviously for somebody who's on a budget and looking for a mechanical keyboard for gaming or typing or whatever you want to do with a keyboard. I will leave a link in the description section for where you can buy this keyboard. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is everything you need to know about the MotoSpeed 104CK keyboard. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like these. This is MT Tech Reviews. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice day.